Did you know that bacteria can produce electricity, paving the way for a revolutionary new source of energy? Microbial fuel cells harness the power of microbial metabolism to produce energy, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Unlike traditional power plants, MFCs are compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly, making them an attractive solution for the future of energy production. As bacteria feed on organic matter, they produce electrons, generating electricity and demonstrating the potential for MFCs to become a viable source of renewable energy. Researchers are working tirelessly to optimize the performance of MFCs, exploring new materials, designs, and applications to unlock their full potential. The MFC process involves the transfer of electrons from the anode to the cathode, generating electricity and demonstrating the complex interplay between microorganisms and electrochemistry. From treating wastewater to generating electricity, MFCs are being applied in various industries, offering a promising solution for a more sustainable future. MFCs have the potential to outperform traditional power plants in terms of energy efficiency, producing more electricity while minimizing environmental harm. As technology advances, MFCs can be scaled up to meet the energy demands of entire cities, offering a viable alternative to traditional energy sources. Imagine a future where entire cities are powered by the energy generated from microorganisms, offering a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable tomorrow. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of MFC technology, new innovations and applications are emerging, offering exciting possibilities for the future of energy production. From wastewater treatment to bioelectricity generation, MFCs are being successfully implemented in various industries, demonstrating their potential to make a positive impact on the environment and society. MFCs not only offer environmental benefits but also economic advantages, providing a cost-effective solution for energy production and wastewater treatment. As the world transitions towards a more sustainable future, MFCs have the potential to play a significant role in the global energy landscape, offering a cleaner, greener alternative to traditional energy sources. Join us in exploring the exciting world of microbial fuel cells and discover how these tiny microorganisms can make a big difference in our quest for a more sustainable tomorrow. In conclusion, microbial fuel cells offer a promising solution for a more sustainable future, providing a clean, efficient, and cost-effective alternative to traditional energy sources. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more documentaries and videos on the latest innovations and technologies shaping our world.